Hello everyone, my name is Mrs. Mokele. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. In my last video, I discussed the 5 vowel letters, okay? I wrote them out, I sounded them, and I gave word examples for clarity. Today we are going to be learning the names of all the letters, okay, from A to Z. The way I have my name and I make sounds from time to time is the same way that all the letters have names and they have their different sounds that they make. Okay, let's go. This is the name. A, A, B, C, D, E. This one is F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, L, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, this is W, X, Y, and Z. Okay, these are the names. Okay, let's go. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, L, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These are the names, okay? I hope you practice them. Let me wipe these names off and then bring you the sounds. And before I wipe them off, when you want to transcribe, you open your slash to the left and close it at the end of the transcription. I'll wipe them off now and then bring in the sounds. Okay. The sounds coming out. The sounds of letter A to Z. Letter A sound L. Letter B sounds B. They're actually very simple. Letter C sounds K. Letter D sounds D. E sounds A. A, not A, as in egg, neck, leg. G. A. This one sounds A as in pain. Letter I sounds A as in pain. Bake, said, fish. This one sounds J. K sounds the same letter. This one sounds orange. This one sounds p. This one sounds the Q sound. Let's R sounds. Sorry, I'm trying to give you the sound. I was trying to write it in just to mix up. This one sounds. This one sounds. As in j, as in yes. Oh yes. This one sounds. Okay. Let us try and sound them together. Letter A sounds R. Letter B sounds B. Letter C sounds K. D sounds D. E sounds A. A as in egg. F sounds. G sounds G. H sounds. Your letter I sounds A. A as in pay, big, said, fish. Okay? Letter J sounds J. K sounds K. L sounds L. M sounds N sounds L sounds as in pat, nut, dot, gut. Okay? P sounds p, p. Q sounds qu. Your R sounds r. S sounds s. T sounds t, t, t. Tick says the clock. T, t. Your U sounds ah. This and this are very similar. Even when I was learning, it gave me a very tough time. I had to ask a question in the class, and the woman explained to me, okay, this one is as in pat, nut, dat, and this one is umbrella, cap, okay, and this one is the letter V sounds, the W sounds, your letter X sounds, xylophone. Your letter Y sounds, as in jam. Oh yes, you are here, okay? Your letter Z sounds, okay. Let us practice one or two examples. You remember the name of the letter J. Let me just pick a long one. I transcribe my J, the letter J like this. Okay? Right? If you want to write something that has a J, let me just say James. James, you bring in this sound, okay, to represent from he to he, okay? From here to here. Look at it. You open your slash, you write your G. Then you bring in your M. Okay? Very, very simple. This E is silent. It's not coming in. Okay? Then you listen to this. James. James. Is it S or Z? Is it this sound that is coming in or this sound? You listen. James. James. Okay? Look at it. This is it. You have transcribed your James. 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 Now let's just try one more. Let's go. Let's just do this. Cake. You remember that your letter C changes to K, right? Okay, you bring it in. You are dealing with here to here now. This is K. Then you bring in your K. This E is not there. It's silent. Cake. Cake. Very, very simple. Okay? Thank you. Can we just do one more? Let's just do one more. Let's do the letter F. Where are you? Okay. Let's bring in this sound. Let me just transcribe fish. Okay. Let's bring in this sound. You open your slash. You write your. Then you look for this. Where is the sound of this? The sound of letter I. Where are you? Where are you? Look at it. A. You bring it in. Fe. You have written fe. Okay. Then you look for this. This is a digraph. This is, I will do this another day. These two will give you one sound. It will give you the sound shh of swimming. Look at it. You have just transcribed your fish, fish, fish. So if you are able to transcribe the sounds as you practice, it's a walkover for you. Transcription is very, very easy. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. I really appreciate those that are watching. Thank you.